Hello everyone. Are you ready for the grammar point of the day? Today we are going to discuss two similar phrases that are often confused. One of them is at the end, the other one is in the end. Let's take a look at it. When we say at the end, it means something is still within the process before it finishes or ends. For example, when I say the grocery store is at the end of the street, it means the grocery store is at the furthest point of the street, but still within the street. But when I say at the end, you will reach the square. It means the street will finish and then you will see the square. That's the difference. When I say in the end, the process, for example, the journey has to finish first. Using at the end instead of in the end is a common mistake. Don't say at the end they reach the city. It means at the end of the journey. Because the journey finishes, then you see the city. Say, in the end, they reach the city. So, in the end means finally, at last. It's equal to those phrases, but at the end means at the furthest point or the furthest part of something, at the far end of some process or a distance. For example, there is a map at the end of this book. Still in the book. Yes, it's between the cover to cover. There is a holiday at the end of this month. We are still talking about this month before it finishes. But maybe, for example, it's on 28th or 29th of the month. I hope you like this grammar tip and see you tomorrow.